Alright, hello everyone and welcome back to my reaction to another Hello Boss short. This short is titled IMP training video and I am hyped. I wonder if we are going to get introduced to a new character and they are the ones getting trained, or it is an old character who has joined IMP who's getting trained, or it is us as viewers who are getting trained. Because let me tell you something, okay? I applied to the IMP submission form and all I got was a rejection saying, hey, so we had too many applicants. Sorry about it, but you can be an honorary IMP employee. And I was like, hey, hurrah, at least I'm an honorary IMP employee. That is a mouthful to say, goodness gracious. But here we are. I guess we are getting trained nonetheless. Let's go into the training and see what this beautiful organization has in store for us. Let's go.
The Immediate Murder Professionals. Founded by sexual dynamo Blitz Buxo, IMP is the #1 imp-run business in the prize ring, probably.
He purchased all the horse plates. Chaotic. Blitzo, if you would have hired me, I was ready to give you all the horse biscuits I could find. But no, you didn't.
Hi, girl. Shit, okay, well, just keep rolling. Garmy Hardy, that's a fucking pirate. Okay, howdy, new girl, them. I am Blitz with the silent O.
Would have met you at the interview.
Moxie, just shut your fat fucking little bucket. Just keep rolling. Luna will cut it down later. At IMP.
Luna definitely did not cut it out later. Oh my goodness. Hey, at least Blitz is going to be proud of her nonetheless. So hey.
Okay, I'm gonna need your gender, species, and sexual preferences because I want to make sure my workplace slurs land.
That's why that question was there in the application form. Oh my goodness. Just so that I could get insulted better. I mean, you know what? Fair.
We're gonna be doing those word things where the word stands for other shit and all good businesses do it, and it's not fucking stupid, it's smart, okay, Moxie? It is professional, and we are doing it!
Moxie, I think you need to listen to this guy, okay? He probably learned all of this from the human CEO nonsense that he was doing, where he was attempting to be a human CEO and going on a power trip. But he made the business run better until he burned it all down. But he was running it really efficiently, so you gotta listen to him, Moxie. He knows what he's talking about.
ASS. That stands for assess. You need to assess your target.
I love the poorly edited green screen outline. Oh, that is wonderful editing by Luna. Loved it.
Hello, my name is Adelaide Scarlett, an heiress who ran afoul of a nasty brute named Emmanuel Morgoon.
Fuck's sake, Moxie, I said to keep it simple.
Excuse me for caring about the craft.
I'm gonna craft you some fucking...
Hello. I would like to hire you to kill someone.
What's the point? We always just wing it anyway.
No, we do not just wing it, okay? This is a business!
There was a script?
Fucking damn it, Luna!
Please tell me more about this intended target. Name, height, weight, eye color, hair color, age.
Listen, okay, you got Stolas, he's doing the thingy you wanted him to do. You can't be like, oh no, he's doing too much of it. And you know what? I think Moxie would have actually been a really amazing client because he would have had the entire history of the client that he wants to assassinate, okay? Just put Stolas there and put Moxie there and they'll figure it out. And you'll have a good commercial or a system, whatever. Wait, it's not a commercial. You would have a good training video. Stolas, Moxie, let them sing. Let them sing. Let them sing.
First pronouns. Last known location.
Oh, he likes it. Okay. I'm sorry. You know the exact place where everyone's supposed to be. Do your thing, man. I'm sorry I judged you too quickly.
Line?
I'm gonna fucking kill myself.
I'm gonna fucking kill myself. Capture, evasion.
Imps are smaller than your typical human. They can turn the tables on you when you least expect it. Even us pros get captured from time to time.
Try fucking always, Moxie.
Sir, you're the biggest. Would you mind?
Oh, I thank you, Mox. I didn't think you noticed.
The points that are weak on everyone are here and here. Stay down! Stay down, bitch!
Millie, that was perfect. That was perfect.
Do your best. Ow, if I can't fucking breathe. Ow, my massive gut.
He's Millie's husband, okay? He's got this. Just trained him enough in all of this. Goodness, that was a delight to see.
Make sure your opponent can't get up again.
Look out, humans. These imps mean business. It's time to become cold-blooded murder machines with the help of
Absolutely cannot improv an inward. No, wait.
So the last and most important step to being an assassin is in. Interrupt, yes. Don't interrupt my flow with pointless bullshit, okay? Like, don't get me a coffee and forget that the O is supposed to be crossed off on the cup. It's fucking triggering, and I'm pretty sure you know it's a hate crime. Oh, don't start a diet when you know I like to steal your lunch, because everyone here knows tofu tastes like shit. Oh, and don't alphabetize someone's shit when I don't know what order letters go in!
Oh, my poor baby. He just went off.
You don't know the alphabet?
No, he doesn't. He's probably dyslexic, Stolas. Oh my god. Oh, well, you know what? That's confirmed. I'm glad to hear that. Not at all. But like, I am enjoying this. Let's go.
Get ready to risk your life on behalf of hell's most petty and bitter denizens.
So now that all your employees have left, can I join? I am really good at crying silently. I can do it. I'll do it. I would like to join in.
It's professional impism, you fucking hack.
Blitz, I get it, okay? Editing is the single most headache-inducing thing ever. As much as I love recording, editing takes up so much time. I literally have to motivate myself with chocolates and fun little rewards just so that I can finish the editing and put it out there.
Okay, what the fuck? Hey, Looney, what does Medea offline mean?
Oh shit, it crashed. I would have thrown the computer away. Do you all know how many times I have finished editing the entirety of whatever I've recorded? Okay, brought down like a 2-hour video down to 20 minutes and it's at the very last moment. And then it just crashes. The software just crashes. And it crushes my heart on the way out because now I have to sit once again and edit the entire 2-hour recording that I've done. And I start to hate my own voice and everything that comes out of my mouth. It is so annoying and chaotic goodness. Flip the table, Blitz. I genuinely would have in your place. Well, that was interesting, relatable, chaotic. Enjoyed it. I genuinely hope that the next shot that comes out is Millie doing a training video on how to, work out your body, because that would be hype. I am petitioning for it. I would love to see that. Overall, this was a really good shot and I can't wait to see what they put out next. Workout video by Millie. But I am here for it and I can't wait to see the next shot or the season, whichever comes first. Let me know down in the comments below what you thought about this shot, my reactions and my theories. And I shall see you in the next one. Until then, like, share, subscribe. Bye bye. Take care. Toodaloo.